Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 18th of July. And first of all, national news. West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar was nominated as the National Democratic Alliance candidate for the vice president elections. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police has created its first mountain warfare training center in northeast India. 32 bills to be presented in Parliament for monsoon session, said Minister. Cloudburst, a foreign conspiracy. Telangana's KCR in flood-hit area. Cloudburst suspected to be a conspiracy planned by other countries. PM Modi congratulated ace Indian shuttler PV Sindhu after she clinched the Singapore Open 2022 title. Now some international news. Mass casualty crash. Dust storm caused 21 vehicle pile up on US highway. Sri Lanka protest movement reach 100 days. Wildfires raged in southwestern France and Spain on Saturday, forcing thousands of people to be evacuated from their homes. Kyiv, Russia is preparing for the next stage of its offensive in Ukraine, a Ukrainian military official said. And now some sports news. PV Sindhu won maiden Singapore Open title. Mohammad Siraj is playing the third ODI against England in place of Jasprit Bumrah. Indian captain Rohit Sharma gave big update. Anjum Mudgil won 50-meter 3 positions bronze medal at Changwon Shooting World Cup. Sri Lanka's Prabhat Jayasuriya entered elite list with 5-4 against Pakistan in Gale Test. Now let's have a look on business. We have to pay GST on few items from Monday as new tax rates kick in. India set on course to become world's fastest growing economy, said RBI. HDFC Bank's profit jumps nearly 20% to Rs 9,196 crore. Jet fuel price cut by 2.2% on fall in international crude rates of peak. Central African Republic launch Sengo coin cryptocurrency amid drought. And now let's have a look on weather. On 18th of July, the temperature of New Delhi will reach to 37 degrees Celsius at the daytime and it will drop to 31 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.